Hi, I will be do a basic tutorial on doing in Elementor WordPress. So first thing first, you need to log in through this URL, which is the admin panel. Once you log in, you will come here in the dashboard. So in dashboard, first if you want to create a page, you just click on the left side of the sidebar. They got page. Then in page, if you want to add a new page, just click add new. But because Elementor has a plugin, so we install the plugin for duplicate. So it's easier if you want to create a new page, but it is similar to the about page, for example. So if it's similar, you just click duplicate this. So it will create a new page for this. So we try. So now we will see it create a new page, but it's set to draft. But the page, the content inside is similar to about. So let's take a look. So if you want to edit all the content all inside it. So but before we do that, we make sure to go to quick edit and change to the name first, or not later we confuse with. So we put test, and for slug also we put test. Then we keep it draft first before we settle all, then we publish that. Then after you change the name, you go to edit with Elementor. Okay, so once you in the page, so like I just said just now, we duplicate the page of the about us. So the content inside the about us is got here because we duplicate the page. But if you want a blank page, you can create add new on the dashboard. So first, you can see here got upper this what we call section. Then if you want to add a new section on the top of this, just click plus here. So when you click plus, it will add a new section for you. So let's say you want the section in one column or two column, then you can choose which one you want. So for example, we take one. So you can see this plus button, we click it. So on the left side, you can see all the widget that has been provided by the Elementor. So regarding which one you want to use, such as you want to put some header here, so you can type your header, or you want to put some more, you can click here on the left side. So for example, you want to put image, you just drag here and put there below the header. So okay, once you are here, you click to the image here. Then if you want to upload a new file, you can just go select file on your computer or device, or you can see on your previous gallery if got picture. So we take example this picture, you can just upload right away. So once upload, you can see here all the upload. But if you see the size, this is the original size. So if you want to like change the size, you can go here. They got many settings for the sizes. If you want go custom, you can go custom. For now, we try thumbnail 150. Yeah, just small. If you want to make like a product list, this size is good. Then if you want to make the picture, for example, is clickable, you can set here on the link. You can click custom URL, then you can put your link here. So when you click this, you want to redirect to what page, you can just put the link here. So all the buttons are here. So this section, if you want to make it, the setting you got here, full width, so make it the section go full. If box, you can set how much the width you want for this section, and also you can set the height. So for this, you can set minimum height. How long you want the height of the section, it's up to you. Then if you don't want, just you can click cancel, delete section, so it'll be clear. For if you want to make it simpler for you to to navigate here, you can just go to navigator. Then yeah, it will be more detailed. So each section already have a column. So you take this section. So inside this section got this all the widget and all the column that we created. So it's easy to edit. Then for the widget, we have plenty of widget you can use here. So we try to about this one. You can see here we set the background page. So what is everything is the background page, you have to check it is inside the section. So you make sure you click on style. You can see background here. Then we got your image here. So yeah, you can just upload right away. Then you can do some in effects here. You can put fit scroll or anything. So in you scroll, it just fits there. And also you can do some background overlay if you want to make this picture a bit tinted. Say you want to put red, you want to put blue. It's up to you. It's your design. So if you want to make it like the effects, you can go to motion effect. You can set. Maybe you want something to fade in like that. So all the effects are here. It's so basically all the function, the start from the widget. Then you can set all here. Then after you finish all with the editing and all the content writing, you can just go publish. So your page is ready to go. So this is an example. So check again on our dashboard. Okay, so you can see here where is test. See your page already successfully published. So if you want to make this page visible in the top of the navigator menu here is the navigator menu. So if you want to make this test visible here, you just go to the appearance, then you go to menus. So once you go to menu, you can see here is your navigator menu. Then we check to our previous page that we created just now. So test, we click add to menu. Then this one you can rearrange which one you want. So take example, you want to put the test here. Then you save menu. So let's check again. Is it already there? Okay. So now you can see on the navigator menu there is a test. So just click it and we back to the page that we created. So if you want to make the test page is a sub page of the other page, so take example the test you want to put below the services. So if okay, we try here, we save first. Okay, this one we refresh, and now you can see the services have a scroll down tab, so which means the test page is under the service page. So we'll be scroll right there. So if you want to create like 3 to 4 sub page, you can create many also can. then you want to put under services, you can do like that. Then it will be scroll down here. Then if you don't want this page in the navigator menu, you can click on the arrow here, then you can just remove it, then you can save it back. Then for pop-ups, so if you want this pop-up to create in the certain page or all the pages, like you want to make some new promotion of your products or news, you can do by inserting pop-ups. So we just click add new, then you select pop-up, so we say let's say latest news, sorry. Then we create the template. So let's close this. Okay, so here the Elementor Pro version, they got provide you some of the pop-up, so you can choose which one you want for now. So let's take example, just take for the top one. Okay, the announcement. So then we click insert. Okay, I think the Pro version need to do a bit setup, but it's okay, you can do manually. Mostly we do pop-ups manual. So we start by design, you can put here. So just like same like just now, inserting columns, section, then if you want to make this one column only, you can just delete, because when you do the inner section, we will pop up two columns, so you can delete by right click on this button here. So you got delete. So once in the pop-up, you can put your header, then put your image. Okay, so before we save it, we need to check on the settings. Sorry, we go to the save option, then we go to the display condition. Okay, once you here, you add your condition. So this one we will set how you want to pop up to be set on which pages or how we want to set it. So for now, you can see you can choose if you want the pop-up to put in the all the pages in the site, so you can set here entire site, but for now I want to show on singular page only. Okay, so when you after you click all singular, you click more here. So if you want to put in your specific page, so you go to pages, then you click here, then which page you want. So for example, we take home page, just right here home. So okay, so home is your destination of the pop-up. After that, we click next. So how you want to trigger the pop-up, mostly we go by on page load and on scroll. Then after that, this one you can try and error. So which the setting you want for your pop-up, you can set here. Then after that, you click next and you just save it. So you can have a look. Okay, this is the example page. So we try in the home page. Okay, you can see now we set just the pop-up in the home page, so it will become like this. So the setting, you see, I set the setting to be scroll fit. So when you're scrolling, the pop-up is still there. So if you can do all the things in here. You can put some buttons in the pop-up, and you can make some link, hyperlink or video. It's up to you. Then if you don't want to see pop-up, you can just click X here, and I think that's it. So if you don't want a pop-up in, let's say your latest news or promotion is done, and you don't want to pop up there, so you can go back to your templates, then pop-ups. So here you can, if you want to reuse it later on, where you don't want to delete it, you can go to quick edit, then you on the status you click on draft, so it will not show in the home page. Let's try and see. Oh, sorry. See, the pop-up is gone already because we set the status to draft. See here. But if you don't want to save in your website already, just go to trash and delete. So that's for pop-ups. After this, we go to user. So if, let's say you have a few admins, 2 or 3 admins or more, you can create some new user for them. So you can create the login and the password for them to access, so it'll be more secure lah. If like 4 or 5 people using the same username or password, is be a little bit vulnerable. So here you can put some in your username. So example, I put admin test, then you can put your information here, then it will generate you their password. I think better use their suggested password because it will be very strong. So once done, you click add user, or you need to require email. So you can put your email here, your name. So once done, you can give the credential to this person. For example, Muhammad Nazir, you can give to your staff here, so he have the ability to access this admin site. So if you don't want it, you can just go click delete. So I think that's it for the basics. Need to discover more on the widget section, because the widget is very, it's not hard, it's very straightforward, very generalized, so I think there will be no problem. You can see here all the widget here, all the settings here. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.